Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidre. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So guys, I'm back with another indicator, another powerful indicator. You see an entry just confirmed at this particular area, and let's see what we are going to see. You see what the histograph is giving off at this particular area too. So guys, inside this video I'm going to be showing you how this powerful indicator works and how you can get this powerful indicator. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to show you the settings and how you can get it at the end of this particular video. So guys, in this particular video we are making use of two indicators, which is our MACD and our indicator signal at this particular area. You see, anytime it's giving us this particular green indicator signal, is giving us a buy entry, or this is crash 1000. This is a buy entry, and anytime it's giving us a MACD, it's going to be giving us a green symbol to take this particular trade. And anytime you find these two confirmation, then you can easily enter your trade to take just only 5 candlestick. But anytime it's not respecting with this particular green color here, which is the histograph of green, then you need to leave it and let the trade run until you have your perfect accurate time to enter this trade. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how the perfect, you see this particular entry now is find it so accurate on the green level, and this is where we can easily enter the trade and take up just only 5 of our candlestick. And this particular area too, we are taking just only 5, and you see that one is even confirmed at this particular area. And also, let's check what is happened on this particular area. You see this confirmation also, it appear on the green histograph. What do you see? You can easily take just only 5 candles, then you are out of the market. And if you check this particular entry now, you will see that it's not accurate. It's not giving us any green histograph. That means you cannot take this particular trade at this particular time, so it's very risk. And if you enter it at this particular time, you will see that you are going to be running off lost because of all these spikes. So guys, let's check for more updates, and let's check for more. You see this particular area too, we have a full confirmation. It's giving us on a green histograph. Immediately it appear, then this is where we can enter the trade and take just only our 5 candlestick. And you see what happened here, it doesn't give us a green histograph as a confirmation. That means you are not going to be taking this particular trade. So let's check for more so that you guys can see. You see this particular area too, we have a confirmation here, and what we have as our histograph, we are having a green symbol as our histograph. That means it's showing us a green light for us to enter buy and take just only 5 candle anytime. You see what happened there? So this is exactly what you can use to trade every day to catch up trading profit every time. You see this one also give us a green entry. Just take just only 5 and you are out of the market. And we have another one here at this particular area, it give us on the green entry and we take 5, we are out. This one also, it give us on the green entry and we are out of the market. This one also give us a full entry and we are out of the market. Just only 5 candles is enough. Then this also, and anytime it's not giving us a very accurate with the green entry. You see what is giving us here? It's giving us a red symbol here, which is not accurate with what we are following. So this particular trade now, you need to escape it and follow this particular symbol. You see we have another confirmation here, we have another confirmation here. So you keep on taking daily profits every time, guys. So you see exactly what I'm telling you guys. You see now we have already catch up our profits now at this particular area. Now just only 5 candle, our 1 2 3 4 5. You see this is our last candlestick, and immediately it's end, we are going to be closing our trade. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when we drop another powerful video like this. And guys, we have our Telegram group. Just message the admin and you are going to be getting this indicator for token amount of fees. Just message the admin, join the Telegram group, then just message the admin. So guys, thanks.